Tea everywhere. Where is the best place to taste and try? I was told there is one place en route Kurseong where I can see, taste, and try some of the best teas Darjeeling has to offer. At Margaret's deck, I sat down for my first real tea tasting session. There were four teas coming from some of Goodric's best tea gardens of the region. That a tea coming from the same region can vary so much in taste and smell while being equally exquisite was a revelation.
Being in the hills is basically we attach, I mean, we are so close with the tea, the tea culture. And for us to be at Margaret's Deck is all about to have a great tea experience. For my visitors, I'm always looking forward that once they are here, at least they should leave with a lot of, knowledge about tea and the liking for the tea and not enough, but at least some very basic idea about what tea is like.
Bobby is so passionate about tea. It shows. Castleton, a Goodrick garden and factory, is not too far from here. I had to go and see the factory where all the actions happen.
Castellan is one of the oldest gardens. It falls under district Darjeeling, and it's got a unique climate conditions which contributes to the quality. The elevation starts from 2,500 to 5,500 as feet. And this Castellan brand is well known for its muscatel teas, which it manufactures in peak second flush, that is in June.
Why do I love staying in Cochrane Place while in Kurseong? Well, for one, there is history etched into every nook and corner of this resort. And that, it's a gorgeous place. This time, I sat down with Mr. Ravindra Kang, the general manager, to learn about its fascinating history.
Cochrane is named after, you might say, Percy John Cochrane. He built this property up, and this property, after him, he passed away in Kurseong itself in early 1940s and all. They most probably must have stayed here for around 30 years. Must have built the property in around 1910.
Tea tasting at Cochrane Place was different than usual. I tried a few of their tea under the brand name Karma Kettle.
I was excited to try the local Nepali food thali, one of their specialities. But I was looking forward to my early morning tea trek tomorrow. The guide said leopards are frequently seen here. Even though I didn't encounter the leopards, I met Jojo, the super excited dog, and a reluctant cat on the way.
Kurseong has been good so far. What surprise does it hold for tomorrow?